Have you ever wondered how to make money by selling your photos online? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of online photography sales. There are countless opportunities to turn your passion into profit, and we're here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, always remember that your creativity and unique viewpoint as a photographer are your greatest assets. These are the elements that will set your work apart in the crowded online marketplace. Don't be afraid to showcase your individuality through your photos. The first step in selling your photos online is to ensure that your work is of high quality. That means investing in a good camera, practicing your skills, and continuously learning about photography. You can take online courses or attend workshops to enhance your skills. Remember, the better the photo, the higher the chance it will sell. Next, it's time to organize your portfolio. A well-curated collection of your work not only presents your photos in an appealing manner, but also makes it easier for potential buyers to navigate and find what they're looking for. Make sure to include a variety of shots to cater to different tastes. Now, on to the exciting part, choosing the right platform to sell your photos. There are several online marketplaces that cater specifically to photography sales, such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock. Each platform has its own set of rules and commission rates, so do your research and choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen your platform, the next step is to upload your photos. Make sure each photo is high resolution and that you include relevant tags and descriptions to increase visibility. Remember, the more specific and accurate your tags are, the easier it will be for potential buyers to find your photos. Next, set a competitive price for your photos. Pricing can be tricky, as you need to find a balance between making a profit and attracting buyers. A good starting point is to check the average prices on the platform you chose and adjust according to the uniqueness and quality of your photos. Finally, promote your work. Even the most stunning photos won't sell if people don't know they exist. Use social media, blogs, or your personal website to showcase your work and direct potential buyers to your online store. To summarize, selling your photos online involves enhancing your photography skills, organizing a strong portfolio, choosing the right platform, accurately tagging your photos, setting competitive prices, and promoting your work. With patience and persistence, your passion for photography can indeed turn into a profitable venture. Remember, it's not just about selling photos, but selling your unique perspective and creativity. Happy selling!